This whole idea was started by one of our colleague called Uday, and initially when we started talking about the waste that we created in this community. So, what we noticed is that there were a lot of waste, right? Then the question comes like, what are we going to do with that, right? And that's why the Project Earth came into existence, because our director has been inspired by one of the village in Japan, which is known as Zero Waste Village. So looking from that, the whole Project Earth was started by looking for this longer vision, imagining that this community also becomes a zero waste. And from there, the Project Earth started, right? And in that Project Earth, what we do is that first we collected all the waste that was here in this community, and then we started segregating it. We bought this machine, as you can see. These are, the first one is called the thresher, you can say. And this is the oven, right? And this one, as you can see, this is the mold where they make this cup over there. And this is again another mold where they make this tile. So this whole machines and this whole lab was basically for study purpose, that how can we teach. So normally what we do is that we collect a lot of trash in our community and we try to talk about sustainability, but our kids doesn't see the impact. So this lab actually given us a really good platform where kids could see that, if I collect all the plastics and these all get recycled, they directly see the result over here. So that becomes a big inspiration for our kids as well. All the plastics are being collected every Saturday. All the community members would come and collect the plastics, right, which will be kept in here, and then Tuesday and Thursday the kids would come and they would segregate, and they started making them into pieces, right? These are mostly comes from the plastics, the wrappers like Maggies and all, and this actually comes from the Amazon packets, right? So from there, what they do is that they would come up with this. They make this tile, right? And another product that as you can see here is these smaller cups, right? This actually was made from that machine. And other than that, as you can see, then we started collaborating with our own carpenter, and then a lot of new designs that have come up with, and some of them actually have reached till Modi's hand as well. So this sustainable approach has become quite a news, that even we started collaborating with local bodies over here, especially there is this one women body, right, Mahila Morcha and something. Then they started also collecting plastics around Tawang and Lumna region, and they would clean their plastics and bring it to the communities, right? So they've become a big supporter of the Project Earth and the Jhamtses, right? And as you can see, our final aim is, right now, as you can see, the quality of the tile is not that great, but this tile, actually this is a company in Netherlands, and we are now collaborating with Netherlands company, where we are getting the machine from them, and the quality of tile can be this good, right? Like I said, this is just a study purpose, and we have a big factory there. Now we have constructed there, and the machine, everything will be set up there. As you notice that our community doesn't have a proper road, so the main like you can say in near futures, we are thinking that this whole plastic can be used to build the plastic road. And we are already collaborating with there is this person in Bhutan called Rikesh Gurung, who is actually known as Green Road in Bhutan. So we have the guidance from him, and then there is this one famous guy called known as Plastic Man of India in Chennai. So we are also planning to take consulting from them. Not only just this community or this area, we wish, or we are targeting that the whole Tawang district, right, can be part of this journey.